Time to bake the cake. A little bit of cream. We'll go for 4 eggs. A little bit of fresh lemon juice. Then we'll add our lemon cake mix. This is just a lemon muffin mix. Alright, mix that up. I'm going to butter and flour my pan. I'm just going to put a little bit of kosher salt, just a little pinch there on the bottom. Just a little bit on the edges. I'll knock that around a little bit. And we're ready to go in with our batter. I'm just going to open this Ziploc a little bit and pour this batter in rather than cutting the bag, because I think I have more batter here than I'll be able to use, and I'll be able to take some of it home. I think that's probably good right there. Let's go ahead and go with that. The other day at the office, I made a discovery that's going to make this possible. You see, in order to cook with this big pan, we need these high-low fire sticks to be in their low position. Otherwise, the pan sits up higher than the windscreen. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this burner out of this bracket. And we're actually going to use a bracket from the Freestyle system. This works with the hex stove and the octagon. But I discovered that you can also put it right down there, and that's working in these little tie-shaped holes that are at the bottom of the firebox. I'm going to put the diffuser plate on, and then I'm just going to move it as close until that diffuser plate is almost touching. I'm going to light it and run it fairly low. I wanted to cook some bacon as well, so I'm going to put this here with the heat diffuser plate. Leave a little airspace in the back, and then we'll wrap that with our 6 panels. Drop our little lid keeper bracket into its position, and then we'll put our oven lid on. Just like that. Nope, I think I better check the cake. I'm going to turn this bacon down so I don't burn it while I'm messing with the cake. Ooh. It's rising. Yeah, it's definitely starting to get a little bit brown. Good. We'll let it keep working. I think this bacon is about done. That piece certainly is. Oh yeah. I'm going to give this bacon fat to Ursa. And she needs to let it cool. Okay, Ursa. This has been baking for about 20 minutes. Yeah, the top is still doughy. I'm just going to cut, and it isn't even very much. It's just a little surface layer that's still doughy. That's all the doughiness right there, just that little bit. There we go. Hey, that's not too bad. I think we stopped it in time. That's not burned at all. That's beautiful. Believe it or not, I still haven't used up all of my lumpy cream cheese frosting. So we'll start with that. I'm actually just going to put some of this peach crumble right on top of my lemon cake. Let's just push that off. There we go. Peach crumble lemon cake. Ooh, look at that. Breakfast is served. Holy smokes. Oh my goodness. Let's get some of that goodness together. We'll be able to reveal our beautiful lemon cake. Look at that. Now how's that for dessert? Let's do this. For the grand finale, we'll tear up some of this bacon and put it on top. Bacon peach crumble lemon cake. How's that for a decadent breakfast? Oh, it's a masterpiece. Look at that thing. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, I have outdone myself this time. Holy smokes. This has to be a record for like the ultimate breakfast food right here. Wow, that bacon is really good in there. Very delicious. Oh, wow. That's just awesome. The crumble part is still crunchy because of all that sugar. Oof, that's so good.